This video is a functional demo of the Amazon Sales Channel extension on App Builder, which is a flagship reference app developed by Adobe Commerce to accelerate merchant and partner adoption of out-of-process extensibility. As a reminder, Amazon Sales Channel extension enables merchants to seamlessly sell products in the Amazon Marketplace and manage all of this from a single, up-to-date experience. This application is built choosing the two main components, Adobe Commerce and the Amazon SP API third-party system, and using Adobe App Builder to perform a synchronization between the two systems. Now, I am on my project inside my Adobe Developer Console. If I go to Stage, here you can see that I have a section called Events. And if I go inside, I can see that I'm subscribed to this event that is the catalog product saved after with this event provider. This means that whenever a product is saved in my Adobe Commerce, I will be notified with an event. If I go to my Adobe Commerce instance, under Stores, Configuration, we can see that in Adobe Services, Adobe I/O Events, I have some configuration set. For more details regarding how to set this configuration and how to complete it, you can check our official documentation. For this demo, let's go under System Tools, Adobe I/O Amazon Sales Channel, and here you can see that our extension is built. Once the application is running in production workspace, it can be added to the marketing menu here through the Admin UI SDK. For more information on how to do that, please refer to the official documentation. Once here, we can add an Amazon store, select a website from the list that is fetched from Adobe Commerce, fill in the additional information, and finally my Amazon Seller Central credentials. The development team chose to implement the Cypher algorithm to safely store and retrieve these credentials. For more information regarding this, please refer to the best practices official documentation. Once this is completed, I can connect my store, and once my store is connected, I can go and review it. Here I can see the synchronized products I have in my Adobe Commerce and Amazon Seller Central. I can check my store reports and also the listing changes logs and communication error logs. And I also have the possibility of changing my listing settings, such as enabling and disabling the automatic listing of products. In my case, I have two products in my Adobe Commerce that are also found in Amazon. One appears as active and the other as inactive. Let's see this in detail. Here I can also see my new third-party listings, which are the ones found in my Amazon Seller Central, but are not found in Adobe Commerce, the inactive and the active one. You can see that I can also have this exact same experience in a local host outside of my Adobe Commerce. I can add a store, view it, and edit my listings, store reports, manage my listings, the same exact experience. Now let's move to my Seller Central. Here you can see that I have 47 products. 45 are the ones that appeared in my Adobe Commerce as new third-party products, and these two are the active and inactive one. And now Amazon UI takes a few minutes to update the price. However, if we go into the details of the product, we can see that it has exactly the same price and quantity as in my Adobe Commerce. Now, what happens if I want to perform a change on this product? For example, change both the price and the quantity of my Lucky Cat Blue. Let's edit it. Let's change the price to $6, for example, and the quantity to 15. Save. once saved, I can see this update in my Adobe Commerce. And if I go to my Amazon Seller Central, I can see that the update, here I can see that the update hasn't arrived yet. That's probably because the event hasn't arrived yet. I can check that in my debug tracing. I can refresh the list, and here you can see that it has arrived with the quantity updated and the price as well. Now, if I go back to my Amazon Seller Central, I should see this change as well. So let's refresh. And there it is, the standard price 6 and the quantity 15. So everything was updated as expected.